Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Vashawn Jones, visionary of Fedora Outlier LLC, and it is 2023. Listen, we are in my kitchen. I'm about to cook. You see this? This is Italian sausage, right? Italian sausage. I got some fresh boar's head pepperoni, and I got frozen onions and green and red peppers, right? And then I got this four cheese Newman's fire, no, wood, what is it? Wood grill pizza. But the star of the show is this Alexa enabled Cosori 12-in-1 oven, right? Beautiful. Now, what's beautiful about this oven, you might say? Let me show you. Alexa, preheat oven to 425.
Preheating oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit.
So I'm about to take this cast iron pan right here, and I'm about to cook the Italian sausages. Guess what I'm also about to cook? The peppers. We're going to be right back. All right, what's up, everybody? So the oven is preheated. I got the Italian sausage balls I just created cooking in the skillet. And you guys noticed that was Alexa enabled, which means I could tell Alexa to do whatever I need to do with the oven without having to touch any of the buttons on the oven. That's the beautiful thing. Now, these meatballs are kind of big because I just love Italian sausage. So don't judge me, okay? Don't judge me. So we're going to take the juice and the cooking meatballs. We're going to put some frozen vegetables on it, or in it, around it. And we're going to come out with something delectable. So I'm going to be right back. All right, so we are back, and I got the pepperoni. See those big pepperonis on that pizza? All right, so we're going to take this, and we're going to open up the Cosori air fryer. Well, 12-in-1, blah, blah, blah. We're going to slide that pizza in there nice and good. Guess what we're going to tell A-Lady to do. We're going to close that up. We're going to cook it like this. Alexa, set oven to bake on 425 degrees for 12 minutes.
Baking for 12 minutes at 425 degrees.
And the oven comes on, and we are baking our wood grilled pizza in the Cosori 12-in-1. And yeah, so we got the peppers and the Italian sausage done. We got the pizza cooking, and we'll be right back. I'll tell you how to get one of these awesome things in the last video before I chow down. All right, so we are almost here. So this is after 12 minutes of cooking. I took it out. I put the vegetables on it, put the Italian sausage, which is only pretty much half cooked, because when I put it back into the oven, then it's going to cook the remainder the way I like it, with a nice crispy crust, great veggies, pepperoni, 4 cheeses, and Italian sausage. That's the way I do when I do what I do. So I'm not through. I'm going to put this in, and after that, I'm going to be eating. So nevertheless, that's pretty much what it's going to look like. You already know what it is. Alexa enabled all the way. And that's it. So listen, let me tell you where you can get this very fine thing here. And mind you, other than setting it up, I only press one button on this thing, which is the top left one to, I don't even know where it's at. Oh, right here. To put it in Wi-Fi mode to connect to my internet. And after that, I've been cooking up a storm. Do you hear me? 12-in-1 function, from air fry to oven to bake to roast to defrost and all that good stuff, man. All Alexa and Google enabled. So listen, I'm gonna have Christy to put a link to where you can get this from on Amazon. And listen, as a completely blind person, to make something that spectacular. And people ask me my skillet. Why do I use this particular skillet here? Number one, I hate thin pots that when you move them, you know, they slide all off the burner. See, this is, you can't tell, but I'm weak. This is nice and heavy. And it holds in the flavor. It cooks very well. Gets very, very hot. But I never have to touch it. And so I love cooking with a large skillet. Gives me plenty of room to do what I need to do. But I don't know where you can get those at on Amazon. I got them from Macy's. But yeah, man, this is Cosori 12-in-1 oven. Is amazing. So you guys know what it is, man. Let's cook this pizza and let's change the world. Change the world together.
Light flares moving over black backdrop. The word empowerment in orange, all uppercase, appears behind the flares. Underneath the word empowerment, in white lettering, also behind the flares, is a mechanism by which individuals, groups, and communities gain mastery over their affairs. Light flares fade. A transparent mirror image of the words are also underneath.